Want to do a quick video about what to do if you find one of your electrical outlets are not working, has no power to it, and it was working recently. A couple of things to check would be your circuit breaker panel to see if there's a blown circuit breaker tripped. If all your circuit breakers are good, none are tripped, then you want to go through your house or your building and check your GFCI outlets like this one, or AFCI outlets in the case of like a bedroom. And a lot of times, like especially in a bathroom, this GFCI actually controls this outlet over here. You can see right now the power is on. We have two lights, so everything's wired correctly, but you'll notice the sticker says protected outlet. So if I trip that GFCI, you can watch what happens. You see the power went out because that GFCI controls this outlet. And if I reset the GFCI, power comes back on. So if you ever find an outlet in your bathroom, your living room, garage that's not coming on, that's one tip. Check and see if there's a GFCI downstream that feeds that outlet.
This issue could also apply to a kitchen outlet. The GFCI in a kitchen outlet can control other outlets. An exterior GFCI outlet or a GFCI outlet in a garage can also be daisy chained to other outlets. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell. Leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thank you.